Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the aspiring researchers and students out there. We're diving deep into the world of research papers, and I'm going to break down the top 8 types of research papers that you should know about. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button for more educational content. And for the latest updates, be sure to ring that bell icon. First things first, let's understand what a research paper is. A research paper is like a living creature that evolves as you investigate, interpret, and evaluate materials related to a specific topic. It's not just about expressing your opinion, it's about contributing to your field of study. Now, let's delve into the top 8 types of research papers you should be familiar with. Number 1, we have argumentative research papers. Next up, analytical research papers. Moving on to cause and effect papers. Don't miss interpretative papers. And, of course, experimental research papers. We also have definition papers. Plus, survey research papers. Last but not least, compare and contrast papers. Now, let's explore the critical elements that make up a research paper. You'll find these key sections in most research papers. Abstract, a concise summary of your paper in about 100 words. Introduction, providing the background and methodology of your study. Literature review, analyzing existing research and identifying gaps. Objective, clearly stating your research goal. Proposed methodology, describing your research approach. Results/observations, presenting your findings. Interpretation of results, analyzing and drawing conclusions. Conclusion, summing up your research and offering personal insights. References, citing sources to support your work. There you have it, folks, the top 8 types of research papers and the critical elements that make up these academic gems. Whether you're writing an argumentative research paper or a definition paper, remember to stay objective and back your claims with evidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow researchers and students. And if you want more educational content like this, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy researching!